You don't fix years of chaos in a weekend. Here is the 90-day path from WhatsApp to a system. Almost every elevator business owner I met wants the same thing: to get off the WhatsApp, an Excel and a memory, and run on an actual system. And almost all of them are held back by the same fear. If I switch, won't the whole business stall while we change over? It's a fair fear. And the answer is no. As long as you do it in the phases instead of all at once. So let me give you the realistic 90-day path from chaos to control. Hi, I'm 𝗪𝗓𝗘𝗢, founder of ElevatorPlus. We have done this migration with elevator companies of every size, and here is the rule number 1. Big bang rollout fail. The day you try to switch everything on at once on a Monday morning, the team panics, falls back to the WhatsApp group, and the project quietly dies. Phased adoption sticks because each step earns the team's trust before the next one begins. Day 1 to 30, foundation. We import your real data, customers, AMC contracts, open jobs, inventory, etc. We configure the system around how you actually operate, not some textbook version of an elevator company. And we train your core team, just the handful of people who will lead it. Nothing customer facing changes yet. We are laying a track. Day 31 to 60, service and AMC go live. This is where the owner first feels it. Breakdown complaints now flow through the system. AMC renewals start firing on the 60-30-0 schedule. And instead of making 15 phone calls to find out what's happening, you open a dashboard and you simply see it. That moment when an owner stops chasing and starts seeing. That is the turning point of whole project. Day 61 to 90, inventory, installation and full adoption. Now spare parts links to job. Installation projects run stage by stage, and the rest of the team comes on board. By day 90, the goal is simple. The team works on system, not on WhatsApp group. One of our client in Pune with 1200 plus AMCs hit 90% team adoption by day 90. Not because we forced it, but because we were there every step of the way. Now, will there be resistance? Yes. There's always someone who prefers the old way. And it's usually the exact person the whole business was secretly depending on. That, by the way, is precisely why you're doing this. The way through that resistance isn't force. It's making the new way obviously easier for them, one day at a time. And that's the real reason hands-on implementation matters. Software you have handed over and left to figure out gets abandoned. Software that's implemented with you, your data moved in, your team supported, that's exactly makes 90 days actually work. So if you have been putting this off because the switch feels too risky, I hope this reframes it. You are not blowing up your business. You are following a path that elevator companies across all over the world have already walked in 90 structured days. If you want to see what that roadmap looks like for your company specifically, book a walkthrough. The link is in the description. I'm 𝗪𝗓𝗘𝗢, 90 days. That's the distance between where you are now and the business that runs without living inside your phone.